In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Cheapoair points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This info is available on the Cheapoair website, so go to www.cheapoair.com. When you arrive at this page, hover over Help at the top right corner of the screen, select the Customer Support. In here, you will be able to choose the Promotion Rewards and Gift Cards category, and then earn or redeem reward points. You will have two main articles, how to earn points and point redemption. Whenever you click either of these, you will be redirected to the same page, and you will have a list of frequently asked questions that you should browse through if any of them will solve your doubts. As you can see, they have answers related to what is the Club Mile program, and how you can redeem your points. This is done by clicking Learn More at the top to be redirected to the Club Miles page, where you can sign in and spending your points immediately. This page is a summary of all the rewards, the unlocked rewards that you have, all the tiers, and as long as you sign into this page, you will be able to see the options to spend points in here. I don't have an account with points to show you, but all you have to do is click sign in over here and access this page while properly signed in, and all the rewards will be available for you to choose what you want to spend your points in. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cheapoair points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.